Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to Simi Shares. My name is Simran Chana, and if you're new, welcome to the family. I upload videos on every Wednesdays and Sundays, and no, I don't do it anymore. I'm missing this so much, इसलिए मैंने ये last video में 2020 के डालना ही था तो डाल दिया. So before I start with today's video, I want to first tell you all that why I was not uploading. The reason is मेरा फ़ोन ख़राब हो गया था दिवाली के अराउंड और इसीलिए मैं दिल की दिवाली कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाई और मैं बहुत डिमोटिवेटेड थी. देन आई डिसाइडेड कि मुझे तो डालना ही है वीडियो कान्हा के बर्थडे के टाइम पे, तो मैंने जुगाड़ करके डाल दिया. एंड नाउ मैंने फिर से आज जुगाड़ करके वीडियो बना रही हूँ बिकॉज आई स्टिल डोंट हैव अ फ़ोन. सो होपफुली इन 2021 I get a phone real soon, so that is when I can upload regularly, and this is the entire reason. And today my voice is not the best because I'm not keeping well. So, like, December has been hard, but I did not want to skip this video for the world. That is why I'm sitting here in a sweater to tell you all that I love you all and thank you for being a part of my family and our family actually. Plus, and I'll make sure that once I have my own phone, I will definitely upload regularly. So ending 2020 on a good note, finally uploading. Let's start with the last video of 2020, and today's video is going to be about 20 things I really liked in 2020 and that I will be recommending to you all. Plus, I'll be telling you all why I liked it and that I'll still be using in 2021. So without further ado, let's get started. So starting with hair, the first thing I would like to recommend is a hair oil. Now, I have been stuck to Bajaj Almond Drop all my life, but this year I wanted a change because every 2-3 years I select a product which I want to change but then come back to Bajaj Almond Drop. But this year, last 6 months, I have not been going back to it. So the first thing is a hair oil by Emami. It is their 7-in-1 oil and it says it is non-sticky, which is very true. So I recommend it to people who are looking for non-sticky hair oils, and this one is the one you should go for. So the second thing is the combo of the year. I love using it. It is my favorite hair shampoo and conditioner of all time. There is no competition to it, and it is the Pantene's Pro Vitamin range advanced hair fall solution. I really like these products because my hair has improved so much because of it. I always had thick hair but breakages होते थे, so इस साल I have stick to this shampoo since January and I love it. I don't think I'll be replacing it anytime soon, but if at all I do replace it थोड़े भी टाइम के लिए, I will be using the Mamaearth's Argan range hair shampoo and conditioner because I really like that too. So I highly recommend it to people, especially with wavy or curly hair. Sticking to hair range again, the third thing is this by Pantene's Open Hair Miracle. Now, I love this. This has also been one of my favorite. For price, it is amazing. All the products I will be mentioning are almost affordable, and बहुत सारे are like local, like drugstore, so ज़्यादा difficulty नहीं होनी चाहिए मिलने के लिए. And this one thing has made my hair go boom. Like, बहुत टाइम से मेरे बाल फ्रिजी होते थे बट कर्ली नहीं हो पा रहे थे. अब मेरे बाल फ्रिज फ्री और कर्ली दोनों हो जाते हैं, and I really give credits to this thing. I love it. So now moving on to face. The first thing I really like again is my face wash that I chose this year, and I'm so proud of myself for choosing this. Is the Cetaphil's cleanser. Now it is their gentle skin cleanser and it says it is for all skin types, but oily range भी अलग से आता है. For the price, it is a bit pricey, but मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. इसके सिवा The second thing I really like it is the Mamaearth's Upton face wash. Now I love it. तो मैं इसके और उसके बीच में स्विच करती रहती हूँ. ये दोनों के वजह से my skin has improved a lot and I love them both. Now the fifth thing is a face mask because I love skincare as much as I love homemade face masks. Sometimes time नहीं मिलता है, so I'll be showing you all my favorite face mask of the year, and it is the Mamaearth's Upton face mask. Now I really like this because वो मेरे फेस को बहुत tingling sensation देता है. मेरे को पहले अजीब लगता था, देन उसके बाद जो कूलिंग इफेक्ट देता है, आई लव इट. मैं ये लगा के बुक्स पढ़ती हूँ या मूवीज़ देखती हूँ. और दिस हैज़ बीन माई पार्टनर एंटायर टाइम, लास्ट 6 months, एंड इतना ही यूज़ हुआ है. सो आई रियली लाइक. फॉर द प्राइस इट इज़ गुड बिकॉज ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी यूज़ नहीं होता पूरे फेस पे लगाने के लिए. सो 500 का आई बिलीव 499 या 500 का है फॉर 100 grams, एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ अ गुड डील. सो दिस इज़ वन प्रोडक्ट कि मैं किसी को भी रिकमेंड कर सकती हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव माई फ्रेंड्स विथ सेंसिटिव स्किन, वो भी ये यूज़ करते हैं, एंड माई फ्रेंड्स विथ ऑयली स्किन, उनको भी अच्छा लगता है. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द 6th प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज़ द फेवरेट. लाइक हर चीज़ में ये वीडियो में जो दिखा रही हूँ वो मेरी फेवरेट है. तो दिस इज़ अ मॉइस्चराइज़र आई रियली लाइक, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू recommend this 100% to anybody who's watching this video. These are the Pond's moisturizers. Now this one is the super light gel जो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लगा रही हूँ आजकल विंटर में. I love it. I love how it feels on my skin. I love everything about this. I recommend it to almost everybody, especially the people who are on the oily skin range, and जो मतलब ये सब लगा सकते हैं, बट अगर आपकी एकदम ड्राई स्किन है या नॉर्मल स्किन है ना, तो ये वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. दिस इज़ द पॉन्ड्स नॉन ऑयली फ्रेश लाइट मॉइस्चराइज़र, बट ये थोड़ा थिक है, वो जेल है, वाटर बेस्ड है. तो अगर आपकी ड्राई से नॉर्मल स्किन है, यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस. बट इफ़ you have extremely oily skin, you should go for the super light gel. Now comparing this to this, मतलब price wise both are worth for their own prices, and I use both of them, absolutely worth it. Now since we're talking about skincare, the 7th product is a face oil. Now this is the Nykaa Skin Pollution Anti-Pollution Facial Oil. This is how it looks. This is the first year I have been using a facial oil, and I love it. बहुत अच्छा है. And if you can invest in a facial oil, you should definitely try the Nykaa's range out because बहुत अच्छा है. And मैं तो recommend करती हूँ. इससे मेरे पिम्पल्स कंट्रोल में रहते हैं. मुझे बहुत रिफ़्रेश फील होता है. मैं रात को जब भी लगा के सोती हूँ तो एकदम थेरेपेटिक भी फील होता है. तो मैं लगाती हूँ, उसके बाद वो सुपर लाइट जेल लगाती हूँ और फिर सो जाती हूँ, और मेरे को अगले दिन बहुत फ्रेश फील होता है, ऐसा डर्ट नहीं फील होता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर स्किन केयर. सो इफ़ नॉट इन 2020, यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाय वन इन 2021. सो 2020 तक मैं बॉडी वॉश नहीं यूज़ करती थी, कभी कभी रैंडमली कर लेती थी, बट 2020 में स्पेशली फॉर वैक्सिंग, मैं शेव करती हूँ ना अपने बाल, तो उसके लिए आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस वन बॉडी वॉश. इट इज़ स्टक विद मी, एंड आई डोंट थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू गेट टायर्ड ऑफ इट एनी टाइम सून. एंड इट इज़ द निविया's फ्रांगीपानी. आई लव इट. उसका स्मेल कितना अच्छा है. दिस इज़ अ बॉटल of 250 ml for 199 rupees, and I think it is worth it, especially if you shave your hair, body hair. So you should create that foam which is required with the loofah and a good body wash, and then you give yourself a good razor. Moving on to body, the 10th thing is a body butter. It is by Plum Goodness. Now I really like this body butter क्योंकि ये टब ना मैंने जनवरी में ख़रीदा था, and it is still not even half over, and I apply it every day. So I really like it. It is the wild cherries and kiwi range, and बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत सही है, बहुत अच्छा स्मेल करता है, बहुत मॉइस्चराइज करता है स्किन को। बट अगर आपके स्किन पे पिंपल्स आते हैं ना, बहुत सारे लोगों के बैक पे पिंपल आता है, बॉडी पे पिंपल आता है, यू शुड नॉट अप्लाई इट क्योंकि बहुत थिक है। बट इफ़ यू आर समवन हु लाइक्स लाइक हु हैज़ एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई स्किन, you should definitely go for it. Now moving on to makeup, the 11th thing today is a combo of Fit Me. So it is my like these are the 4 things I use. Now मेरा ना लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे स्किन शेड कम हो गया था, फिर बाहर निकली तो वापस बढ़ गया। अब कभी मतलब मोस्टली घर पे रहती हूँ, कभी कभी बाहर जाती हूँ, तो मेरा बीच में हो गया है। तो आई यूज़ लाइक फिट मी का फाउंडेशन इन द शेड 118 लाइट बेज एंड 128 वार्म न्यूड, इसके बीच में हो गई हूँ मैं अभी। फॉर कंसीलर्स आई यूज़ 20 सैंड और 10 फेयर क्लियर। सो बेसिकली मैं 4 चीज़ के बीच में अटक गई हूँ अभी। बट आई लव फिट मी का फाउंडेशन एंड कंसीलर। आई डोंट नॉट थिंक कि मैं किधर और शिफ्ट होने वाली हूँ एनी टाइम सून। मुझे ना कोई कोई चीज़ें पसंद आ जाती है तो मैं उधर ही टिक जाती हूँ। दैट इज़ वाई मेरे को ये चीज़ ऐड करनी ही थी। दिस कॉम्बो इज़ amazing. So the 12th thing is an eyeshadow palette which was gifted to me by a friend, and it is the Makeup Revolutions Maxi Reloaded palette, and I love it. I think today I'm wearing it and I love it so much. So I recommend this product to anybody who likes a good palette, but 1500 to 2000 की range में आता है, so you have to like keep that in mind. Plus थोड़ा fallout है, so if you are someone who is okay with fallout, then it is a good eyeshadow palette. The 13th thing are my eyeliners. Now these two are my go-to eyeliners. I could not decide one of them. One is the Maybelline's Colossal eyeliner. Now this is bold, as it says. It is beautiful. I'm applying it today. I love it and I highly recommend it. The second one is the Lakme's Insta Liner. Very affordable, worth the price, a little watery, so you have to be careful about it. This is more matte and this is more watery, but the longevity is amazing, so you should definitely try it once if you haven't already. So now sticking on to the eyes, the 14th thing is the kajal recommendation. Now I have these 4 kajals which are all in budget. I think this one by Amway is for 500, but rest all are like very affordable. 2 of them are by Blue Heaven, and I love how pigmented they are, and they are good for $100. And I think if you're investing in a colored kajal, you should go for something which is like not very costly and it still works, right? For kajals, now I'll go one by one. This is the blue kajal by Blue Heaven, and it is beautiful. Like, it is very pigmented, as you can see. Very pigmented, very nice. I really like it. Plus 100 rupees ka hai, so I think it is absolutely worth the price. And I think agar you're and I think if you're like investing into a colored kajal for the first time, you should not go like crazy over the price. So this is the green one. I really like it too. The black kajals I really like nowadays. This is the one I'm wearing today, and it is the Nykaa's. It is the Nykaa's Rock the Line Kajal, and this is for 125 again. And the only costly kajal I have right now is the Amway's kajal. It is from the Attitude range, and it is an eyeliner liner pencil. So basically this is how it looks. It is highly pigmented, but for the price I don't think I'll be buying it again. But I will definitely buy these 3, and all the links for the products as much as I can find I will be be inserting it in the description box below, so do check it out. So the 15th product is again for the eyes. It is the Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. So 2020 तक मैं 2019 तक मैं Colossal यूज़ करती थी, but this year I decided to buy this one and I'm loving it. So for the ones who are already using Colossal, you should try this too. So if you're someone who's looking for a good waterproof mascara, definitely check it out. My favorite lip balms which I've been using this year, last year तक नहीं करती थी, and again they have been stuck with me for the entire year. So these are all the lip balms, and now this one is by Good Vibes. It is their vanilla lip balm and I really like it. Very smooth on the skin, long lasting, and it smells so good. अभी मैंने open किया and it is smelling amazing. The second lip balm by Good Vibes is the Pina Colada one. This is how it looks. Gives you the extra moisture. The third lip balm, which is my go-to nowadays, मैं मेरे बैग में कैरी करती ही रहती हूँ because उसमें थोड़ा पिगमेंट भी है, is the Sugar's lip balm. This is also vanilla because nowadays I am into vanilla, but it has a very light pink tint to it. तो कभी मैं जब भी मैं यूजुअली लिपस्टिक्स नहीं प्रेफर करती, तो मैं ये लगा देती हूँ एंड थोड़े पिंकिश लगते लिप्स, सो आई लाइक इट. Now the 17th thing are again for the lips. They are my 3 favorite lip sticks of the year. So the first has to be the Lakme's Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. I love it. I love it so much. Show you. This is the perfect nude. I've applied it right now. This is the perfect nude for my face. I love it so much. I don't think I'll be replacing it anytime soon, and it is always going to be with me. एक और मैं लेकर रखूँगी जब भी I think I'm running out of it. The second one is by Lakme again. It is their Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in Nude Dream. So this is how it looks. Very similar to the Nude Hit, but ये दो शेड मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So this one I like more, but this is also a very good option to go if you are looking for a lipstick around 300 rupees. This is a little pricey compared to this one. This is for 750 rupees. So if you don't want to invest so much, you can invest in a 300 one as well. It is beautiful too. Okay, now very unlikely me, I bought a color. This is the color. This is the Lakme's Cocoa Butter, and this is how it looks, and I love it. I love it so much. It looks beautiful on my skin. So sadly this year मैंने कोई new blush या highlighter नहीं try किया because I was very satisfied with the ones I have. तो वो मैं कभी और दिखाऊंगी. The 18th thing are my new favorites. That is the 2 micellar waters. One is by Pond's, the Vitamin Micellar Water, and the other one is the Micellar Cleansing Water by Garnier. और मुझे ये दोनों बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So basically, if you're someone with my skin type, normal to oily, you should definitely purchase either of them. Basically दोनों बहुत अच्छे हैं. But if you're someone with extremely oily skin type, you should go for the oil variant in this one, which is very nice. And for the price, it is absolutely worth purchasing. 19th product is for the nails. Now I don't usually like to apply nail polish on a regular basis, but sometimes I really enjoy doing so. So I wanted to explore so much in purples this year, because anybody who knows me knows that I love purple color. So I have these 4 nail paints. All of them are from different brands. So this is a local brand called Juice. It retails for 60 rupees and I really like the shade. These two are from Miniso. They are glittery and very beautiful, very beautiful. These were for 90 rupees. each and very beautiful. This is a very galaxy shade while this is more on a lavender side, so I like both of them. And this is the nail polish of the year. This is the Nykaa's nail enamel in the shade in lavender drizzle. I love the nail paint, I love how it looks on my skin, and I absolutely love it. Plus it makes me love purple color more, so that is a plus. The last product, the 20th product, is a perfume. So I started using this perfume back in 2020, like January में, while I was going to Himachal, and मैंने उसका छोटा बॉटल लिया था, so I loved it. मैं मार्च तक आई थिंक उसको रेगुलरली यूज़ करी थी जब तक कॉलेज जा रही थी, और ख़त्म हो गया था क्योंकि छोटा बॉटल था. देन अगेन अभी सेल आया, दैट इज़ व्हेन आई रीपर्चेस्ड इट एंड आई लव इट. दिस इज़ द परफ्यूम. It is the Embark's My Passion. For someone who is into flower scents, like fruity, flowery scents, I do not like strong scents, so this is definitely something you should go for. I don't think you'll regret it ever. I love how it smells. And it is super long lasting, so if you are looking for a good perfume, you should definitely gift it or buy it for yourself because it is amazing. It has more ranges in it. It has a purple range too, but then I was still so comfortable with this one that I wanted to repurchase this one. So if you're someone who is looking for a good perfume, then definitely try this one out. So this is it for the video, you guys. I hope you all liked it. If you all liked it, do like, share and subscribe, and also check my Instagram out, and I will be uploading frequently, I promise, as soon as I can figure something out. Plus I wish you all a very happy new year, and I hope this year brings you a lot of happiness, health, good mental and emotional health, and more time with your self, more time for developing. I hope you all develop in 2021, and I hope you be the version of yourself that you always wanted to be. So I'll meet you very soon. Bye, take care.